Legends of Learning presents the Rocket Repair game. This is a math game that makes learning about writing simple expressions fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, oh no, the rocket ship is damaged. You have to fix it if you want to get home. In this game, by Zap Zap Math, students will interpret numerical expressions without evaluating them. This math game will test your knowledge of interpreting and expressing math numerical expressions correctly. Use the mouse to click and drag and drop the correct math expressions to complete the rocket ship so you can progress to higher levels. Learn more about addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division in this math game that will help you repair all the rocket ships. You will need to complete all the levels in order to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Do you have the right math skills to complete all the levels? Have fun and enjoy playing.